If you can imagine it, you can build it with Infineon-for-Makers. Electronic development usually takes a lot of time. By using a fast prototype, you can speed up your process and test early with potential customers. Infineon is here to help everyone turn a vision into a product. Because we believe everyone has great ideas. Might it be an engineer working in a big corporate, a startup engineer, a student, or even a hobbyist. If you can imagine it, you can build it with Infineon-for-Makers.
Infineon-for-Makers offers fast prototyping boards which can be used with easy software libraries, for example with ecosystems like Arduino or Raspberry Pi.
Infineon is partnering up with the MakerSpace because the MakerSpace is a great place to be innovative. It offers a great machine park and also a great device library for fast prototyping boards.
The MakerSpace is in Munich an open prototyping space, so basically where we have about 2,500 square meters of workshops, starting from woodworking, metalworking, but also going especially into electronics working, and a place where you can try to solve all your crazy ideas and try to implement all of them or at least test them. Infineon brings the technology side to the space, it brings a lot of ideas to the space, and it brings getting people to actually test out their products and their ideas. We had a lot of startup projects here because our major goal is to help people achieve what they are trying to test out, and especially in the technology space, Infineon is a great help in there. So getting actually components, getting a very quick turnaround time, so not only fail once per month, but fail like 3 times a day, is a very core competence of MakerSpace, and Infineon and the cooperation with Infineon helps a lot.
One example project is the vision of an IoT sensor box for flex disk environments. The box is able to measure certain sensor values like CO2 values or temperature, and is looking for the best working place for you. So we have built a prototype using the prototyping boards. So you can see the different modules here. Every module comes with a hardware and a software component. So you can wire them up and combine these software libraries to build a working prototype in a matter of hours to a day. If you're happy with your working prototype, the next step in the process is to turn this prototype into a custom PCB and create a small batch of prototypes. And this process will be explained by Caro.
So I created the custom PCB. It's smaller and less components, but it's basically the same as the prototype. This type is now ready to get in production, and now we show you in the MakerSpace how we built this one. The first step in building your own custom PCB is to put the solder paste on your platine. Afterwards, the pick-and-place machine puts the components on the right spot on the platine. Next, the platine is put with all the components in the solder oven, and the solder paste gets melted and the components are fixed now. At the end, we do a final test and the prototype is ready to be used.
The Infineon team supports you on the whole prototyping journey, from selecting the right components, building your fast prototype, to getting samples for your custom PCB, and finally go to market. If you have an idea and want to turn it into a fast prototype, get in contact with the Infineon-for-Makers team.